very high-quality offensive coordinators will be at the game on Saturday calling plays. We expect a nice crowd. We expect two good football teams to come out and play each other.
I mean, it goes without saying it's a heated rivalry. What does events like this do for your program and for your players when they see these kind of events? You get to come out here and present your team to the public.
It's great. It's great. We get great media coverage when it comes down to this big rivalry right here. I mean, you're talking maybe 25,000 people in the stands, 20, 30,000. We feel good about this football game, and we just expect a good matchup.
Coach, what is
It feels good. You know, you've been in training camp all summer and all 2 days, and it feels good to be able to come out and let your hair down a little bit. But again, we can't take our eyes off the prize. The kids just need to come out and play well, make sure as coaches we put them in the right position to make the right plays.
But Coach Howard?
That was a great one. This is always fun and great laugh because those two guys go way back. Both athletic directors go way back. Coach Simmons and I, we go back. We've been knowing each other for a while, but this is good. You come out and get to sell some tickets, and hopefully the fans will come out and support us.
How anxious are the guys? I know coaches, it's just you get up on Saturday morning, you be ready to go, but the kids have been at each other for all this amount of time. Now comes Saturday evening, they get a chance to see somebody in a different uniform. How anxious are they ready to get out of the uniform?
I know for my team is very anxious and ready to come out. We're not even hit it anymore in practice. I stopped contact about a week and a half ago. It got so bad with the ones, I stopped letting the ones versus the ones go. They're very aggressive. They got some frustration they need to let out. Like I told you, you're going to have 60 minutes to get out and perform and do well. The biggest thing, again, like you all heard me say this, most disciplined football team will win the game. The one that doesn't turn the ball over will win the game. The one that will create and win the kicking game will win the football game.
Coach, talk to us about what Coach Northern brings to this defense.
Coach Northern brings a great beat to the defense. I mean, he's, when you've been the FCS defensive coordinator of the year, for me to have an honor to be able to get a guy like that on our staff, I knew he was a heck of a head coach, but just to sit up in the press box and watch him down on the field work with his defense and his defensive staff, those guys really get it done in practice, and I expect the same thing in the game.
All right, Coach, thank you for your time.
Thank you, guys. Appreciate it.